When you spend time as a nuclear electrician, you stop looking at the shiny paint and start looking at the numbers and the fail points. I spent 17 years in the HVAC industry applying that same logic to residential gear, and today we are looking at two ultimate category heavyweights, the Daikin DZ9VC and the Ruud Endeavor UP19AY. These aren't your standard contractor grade boxes. These are high performance machines designed for homeowners who want the best efficiency the market can offer. Let's start with the armor on these units. In the field, I've seen wire guards get flattened by hail or mangled by weed whackers, which kills your airflow and cooks your compressor. Both the Daikin and the Ruud come correct here with full louvered coil protection. That means the aluminum fins are shielded by heavy-duty metal panels. Whether it's a stray baseball or a nasty storm, these cabinets are built to take a hit so your coil doesn't have to. When we look at the technical truth in the guts of these machines, we see where the engineering diverges. Both units utilize variable speed inverter compressors and variable speed condenser fans. From an electrical perspective, this is a game changer. Standard single-stage units have a massive inrush current, a spike in amperage every time they kick on that stresses your electrical panel and makes your lights flicker. These inverter systems ramp up slowly, using only the power they need. It's surgical precision compared to a sledgehammer. However, the efficiency gap is wider than you'd think. According to the data, the Daikin DZ9VC pulls an 8.2 HSPF2. That's respectable, but the Ruud Endeavor UP19AY is pushing a massive 10.0 HSPF2. In the world of heat pumps, that is a significant leap in heating efficiency that will show up on your utility bill every single winter. Now, let's talk about the hit to your wallet. High-end inverter tech isn't cheap. For the Daikin DZ9VC, you're looking at an equipment cost for the condenser alone around $5,800 to $6,500 with total installed prices often landing between $9,500 and $12,000 depending on your local labor rates. The Ruud Endeavor UP19AY is in the same ballpark, usually seeing equipment costs around $5,000 to $6,000 and total installation costs ranging from $10,000 to $13,000. You are paying a premium for these units, but the value proposition lies in the long-term energy savings and the superior comfort of variable speed airflow. Before we crown a winner, here is a pro tip. An ultimate system requires ultimate maintenance. These inverter boards are sensitive to power surges and dirt. If you aren't running a high-quality surge protector at the disconnect and keeping those louvered panels clear of cottonwood and debris, you're just wasting a high-performance machine. The warranty battle is where Daikin tries to pull back some ground. The Daikin DZ9VC offers a 12-year parts, 12-year compressor, and a full 12-year unit replacement warranty. If that compressor fails in year 11, they don't just give you a new compressor, they give you a whole new outdoor unit. The Ruud Endeavor UP19AY is solid with 10 years across the board for parts, compressor, and unit replacement, but it falls 2 years short of the Daikin's commitment. Both are made right here in the USA, so you aren't waiting on a slow boat for specialized parts. The verdict, I'm going with the Ruud Endeavor UP19A. While Daikin offers 2 extra years on the warranty, the Ruud's 10.0 HSPF2 rating is a technical knockout. That level of efficiency is the primary reason you buy an ultimate system in the first place. You are getting a more efficient machine that will provide better dehumidification and more consistent heat for a similar price point. The Ruud is the smarter investment for your long-term bottom line. Shop like a pro and compare brands yourself. Use the head-to-head tool at HVAC for beginners.